Hi guys, welcome back to the Kdenlive tutorial. Today we're going to be working on blurring out this license plate. In one of my previous videos we did this with the executor tool, but the problem is with that is you had to cut the frame, move the box every so often to keep the blurred box over your object that you wanted to blur. Today we are going to be using the auto mask tool to blur out the plate on that same video. So I'm just going to add this to the timeline and mute it so we don't have to hear it because there was a lot of wind in that video. We're not going to blur the whole thing. We'll just come around to the side of it and probably stop there. So we'll just cut it right there. We'll just remove that. Okay, so we got this part of the video here we're going to work with. So we need to go back here to the beginning and we are going to go to blur and hide. And then we're top one right here, auto mask. Blur and hide's under audio correction. So we want to take that, you drag it into your video. So now it gives us this nice big box. You can grab it here in the middle block and move it around. The blocks here on the edge, you can resize it. So I'm just going to do that so it's about the size of the plate. The problem is with the auto mask is it doesn't follow the object real well. Like you'll be following it and all of a sudden it gets stuck right there and the plate keeps on moving down. So I'm going to show you how to get this to set. So once you get it on your object, you come over here to analyze, you hit analyze, you'll see a job over here, you can cancel it if it's taking too long, and then you'll see a progress bar. So just give that a minute to do the analyzing. Okay, now we analyze that, let's come over here, and whoops, take it back to the beginning, and we will play. You see the box is kind of following it, and it losing it right there. You see how you can see part of the word air? This is the problem with this tool, is it constantly loses the object you're trying to follow. Now, sometimes on more detailed, if you have nice, perfectly crisp face, like somebody's face in the video, it will follow that better. But like there was a video I was playing with earlier where it would get like lost on the wall or something when it was like my face or something. So, and then sometimes they'll find it and other times it won't. So, in order to fix that, we need to come back here where it was last blurred. You can kind of see it's just jumped back just a little more, right around there. So we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna go into this and we are going to move this back over and we're gonna reanalyze. And we're gonna click add. So I'm just gonna back into our previous clip right here and we're gonna start playing from there. Yeah, right there, starting to lose it again. So what we need to do is we need to back up until the plate was last blurred out pretty good, so right around there. And then we are going to cut it again, and we are going to move this box. And reanalyze that again. And we click add. And then, oops, I just click off of that so you don't have to see the big red box. Okay, it's losing it. This tool has quite a bit of bugs that need worked out of it, but it's not too bad. If you watch my previous video where we had to splice it about 20 times to do the same thing, it definitely is a lot easier, especially if you have to do a lot of this. I'll reanalyze it again. I'm going to click add. You see it kind of followed it off to the side to where the box was, and then it lost it again. So we need to come back here to around there. We're going to splice the video again. It didn't do too good at following it that time. So we're just going to jump here, click on the video, and we're going to analyze. Now that we did that, see that looked pretty good. I think it kept it blurred out. Yeah, you can kind of see the E a little bit. So if you're really critical on blurring that out, I would splice that again. And we are going to jump forward in the video a little bit, right around there. And we are going to move that. Analyze it once more again. Click add. So now let's just jump back a few clips and we'll watch that. Okay, that looked pretty good to me. So now that the plate is out of the video and you want to remove this blur box because you don't want to have that in your whole video. So once we just jump where the plate's out, we splice the video, we select that clip, and you come up here to this trash can and you remove it. Now the blur box is gone. Now I will export this video and let you guys watch it. Here's my 1991 Ford Ranger. It's got the 2.3 liter. Now as we swing around the side, you see the body's in pretty decent shape. But you see the bumper is rusted out pretty good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you guys later.